lovely people, welcome to my channel. My name is Naturally DCA, and in today's video we are going to eliminate our stretch marks. Yes, this remedy that I'm showing is super fast and super quick to eliminate our stretch marks or get rid of our stretch marks permanently. If you are consistent, it will work out the wonders for you. Alright, before we get into the video, if this is your first time watching my video, don't forget to subscribe, share, and also give me a thumbs up. So what we're going to need for this video is we are going to need Vaseline. That is the Blue Seal Original Petroleum Vaseline. And we are going to need Colgate toothpaste. Yes, and we're going to need one most onion. You can use the white onion, you can use the other onion, that is the red onion. Yeah, so we are going to start up with a video. I'm going ahead to grate my onion. I wouldn't be needing much, so I'll be using this small amount that I'm okay with this. So I'm going ahead to add my Colgate, and then go ahead and take some of the Vaseline. Start to mix. This remedy for stretch marks is super fast. If you have stretch marks on your tummy, on your breast, and on your thigh, this remedy is super fast. And don't forget, it also prevents or remove cellulite. Yeah, so that's how our stretch mark is looking like. So let's see forward of how I'm going to apply it to. Hey guys, so now I'm coming to show you how you can apply your stretch mark cream onto your stretch marks. Yes, very effective, and it gives amazing results, faster results. Don't underestimate anything that I am teaching you here, because I have tested it and it works. Yes, whatever I teach you here, whatever I'm telling you here, I'm a testimony to it. Alright, so let me show you my stretch marks. This was my stretch marks, and it was bigger than this. It was wide open, really, as a result of using the product on my skin, and I got these stretch marks. So it wasn't easy for me to let's say treat it. So with all these home remedies, that's what helped me out to remove all the stretch marks. As you can see, it's fading. So when I do this, you wouldn't see it all that much. Yes, but when I stretch it like this, you see how my stretch marks was before. But living like this works so perfectly. So I'm going ahead to apply this on my stretch marks. Actually, I really want to eliminate all of it, and don't forget, it's good for cellulite. You can apply some on your breast if you have some of the stretch marks on your breast. Now I'm going to leave this for about 15 minutes. Yes, 15 minutes for it to dry up, work its magic on my skin. then I'll go ahead and rinse it off. Yes, so if you're interested in my videos, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe if this is your first